where we live, there's like where we live, Walmart's like right next to.
Yeah.
So it's only like about like 2 minutes away to Walmart.
I have my slime here.
So then we're gonna go in the toys aisle, get the helicopter thing. Well, he knows where it is. And then we're gonna be looking in the slime thing. The camera guy's gonna come with us. He's gonna go get the Avengers thing. Bring it to us.
Our special guest is holding the camera because he's driving. The camera dude's driving, so our special guest is. Yeah, peace. This is my
So we're
slime.
playing with the slime that she said she left at her cousin's house, but I just remembered that she left it in the car. So I was like, Daddy left it in the car. So yeah. So we're really on our way. You can probably hear the car, probably really loud. Sorry.
And it's bright.
And then the camera dude's gonna go look out the window.
So we are going.
Turn up the music.
We might.
Wait, turn this up.
Same.